Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss my strategy and schedule which I use for CLAT prep so that I could secure my dream college. Also पहले मुझे इन सब questions के सही answers नहीं मिले I'm trying my best कि मैं आपको सारे questions का जवाब दे सकूं. So I was getting a lot of questions about how I started my journey and when did I think of starting it. So I'm gonna answer all of your questions in this video. So the first question I was getting was when did I think of giving CLAT? So it was in my 9th or 10th when I decided that I didn't want to take science or maths. So I opted for humanities in 11th and decided to give CLAT, though I was having good marks in science and maths standard. So the other question was when did I started preparing for the CLAT prep? So it was during the summer vacations after 10th boards when I decided that I was getting bored and I need to study something. So I took PW batch online one and started preparing notes and all in my spiral notebooks which I've shown in other videos. And during that period I didn't study much about it, but it was just for making my base strong, so it helped me a lot. During that time I also took legal aids workbooks which also helped me a lot and they were quite good. The other question I also got was what was my schedule and all. So after 10th I didn't make a hectic schedule. It was just a normal one. I just completed all the base first about legal, logical, English, QT and all. And plus I didn't leave QT after 10th. And I tried to revise QT daily so that I don't forget maths after 10th as I took humanities after 10th. Also for English and your vocab, mine was also not that good, but my father gifted me this book called Word Power Made Easy. This helped me a lot throughout the journey, and you learn the root words so that you can guess unknown words also. And I would suggest that you should start reading this from 11th only, as in 12th you won't get that much time. The other thing I want to discuss is that I appeared for CLAT in my class 11th and my AIR was around 15,000 and score was 64.5. I didn't do QT in CLAT 2025, which also took my score low. I thought that I would be able to do the QT, but it was so stressful that I didn't even do one question. And that is why I'm suggesting that you need to do QT daily so that you don't take that stress. And this tip helped me a lot in my CLAT 2026 and I scored 100% in QT section. This is the game changer. So next question was that how did I manage my school and my CLAT prep together? So in 11th, when I joined PW batch, starting May, it was easy because vacations were going on, but after vacations, it became hectic. But I tried to complete my school work in school so that I don't have to study at home of school. And I studied for CLAT at home. The period between 11th and 12th, the vacation that comes between that is the most crucial part. Otherwise, it would be difficult for you to clear CLAT. You will not get this much leave or any vacations after this period and you'll be busy in your boards and other things. That is why I'm suggesting that you need to start your prep as soon as possible. Now comes the 12th class. After your 12th starts, you need to definitely make a schedule so that you can plan according to that thing and execute it. This will be the game changer and you can definitely crack CLAT if you do these things. Also, many of you asked that online coaching लूँ या offline coaching लूँ. So जो difference मुझे feel हुआ, I'll tell that. So online coaching में it is like sometimes you miss your classes and other things and like nobody cares about that. But offline may you have mentors and all who guide you, who ask you where you are going wrong and who analyze your mocks and all so that you could increase your performance. Again, coaching ka role is only 10 to 20%. Other percentage are of your self study. So next comes my schedule and all the planning I did so that it didn't become hectic for me. So in vacations, I made a thing like ऐसा जो मैं screen पे दिखा दूंगी and I had like 34 days. So I asked ChatGPT to make a schedule for me and इसमें I have written the number of chapters a book has and how many chapters of which section will I complete in a day, and I used to cut them like daily जो जो ऐसे ऐसे होता था. Also I wasn't able to complete the QT section because रोज रोज मुझसे नहीं होता था, बट अदर सेक्शंस आई वाज लाइक एबल टू डू. एंड इफ समटाइम्स अगर एक दिन जैसे मिस कर दिया तो फिर नेक्स्ट डे आई ट्राइड कि मैं वो कंप्लीट कर दूं. ऑल्सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज डेली न्यूज़पेपर. यहाँ पे द हिंदू wasn't available, so I went for Indian Express, but both newspapers are good and you have to read newspapers daily, editorials, and for current GK it was a lot helpful. And starting में you'll feel कि you aren't able to complete your sections time wise, but it happens with everyone. Don't worry, but keep practicing daily so that your speed will definitely increase and you'll able to complete the sections time wise. And once you get your hands on the sections, then please do set timers for each section and complete that. And the other tips and tricks I used was to make a to-do list for tomorrow. I'll show the screen here how I used to make it. And also summer vacations में in 12th I made a timetable that कि I'll do this, I'll do that. Of course वो पूरा exactly मैं copy नहीं कर सकती मतलब पूरे दिन में, but I tried कि मैं उसी के हिसाब से चलूँ. One more thing that I tried कि मैं summer vacations में अपने सारे 12th की notebooks, projects and सब complete कर लूँ, क्योंकि you will not have time after that. And now comes the question that attendance पूरी कैसे करेंगे 12th में and all those questions. So in 12th starting से ही I didn't take any leave. I tried कि मैं starting में अपनी full attendance रखूँ ताकि end में if I need some time for my CLAT prep तो मुझे वो मिल सके. And the other trick is that if you get an extra homework in school, so definitely try कि आप वो स्कूल का स्कूल में ख़त्म कर दो ताकि अब घर आके you can take some time for rest and then start preparing for your CLAT prep. Also स्कूल में जो टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं वो वहीं पे उन्हीं के साथ सुनकर you can learn ताकि बाद में जब एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल जब भी आए स्कूल वाले जो आएंगे तो उसमें you don't have to study much about them. So now comes the mocks. तो पहला question is when should I start giving mocks? तो I did give some mocks in 11th, but daily करना I started it in 12th. Like हर हफ्ते में एक mock तो पक्का ही देना है, ऐसा कर लिया था मैंने. And starting में your mock scores will be definitely down. सबका होता है, किसी का ऐसा नहीं कि you get good scores in your first mock, second mock. And this is for the students who have joined online coaching. So around June, July, like all the coachings of CLAT start taking all India open mocks and all those things. So do try कि आप वो जाके दो उन्हें ऑफलाइन ही, ताकि लाइक यू गेट एन एक्सपीरियंस दैट ऑफलाइन एग्जाम में क्या क्या माहौल होता है एंड हाउ यू डू इट. ऑल्सो गिव मॉक्स इन OMR सो दैट यू हैव प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दैट थिंग ताकि बाद में आगे पीछे ना हो जाए आंसर्स. ऑल्सो इट हैपेंड अराउंड वन टाइम दैट आई वाजंट एबल टू क्रॉस 80s. लाइक मतलब मेरे 76 आ रहा है, 78 आ रहा है, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग मार्क्स ओवर 80. सो द ट्रिक आई यूज्ड वाज दैट I tried to complete all my syllabus again. I revised it all over again. Legal, logical के सारे base जो भी हैं, paradox, flaw, strength, weaken and everything, I learned them from base again. So like it did increase my score. Believe me, like I was able to bring 85, 86 after that time. And slowly it increased and also crossed 100 sometimes. And also it happens that एक mock में मैं 100 ले आई and then next time I bring around 70s and that. So don't worry about that. It happens with like everyone, and keep studying, believe in yourself and you will definitely be able to do it. Also be active about what is happening around you, like the boot camps and all which are done by coaching institutes. Please do attend them. They are like lot helpful. You get to meet a lot of students and you get into many competitions. And also there were a lot of questions about legal section. So starting में everyone has that difficulty in legal, and you would be thinking कि सब तो बोलते हैं legal easy है, but that is not the case in starting for everyone. स्टार्टिंग में कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं, बट बार बार जब तुम मॉक करते हो, बार बार जब तुम वही टॉपिक्स पढ़ते हो तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर डीपर. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट अपना बेस क्लियर करो लीगल के लिए. हर एक वर्ड जो समझ ना आए, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली थिंक दैट लीगल इज ईजी. जो प्लान है बी स्टक टू दैट कि मुझे आज ये करना है तो आज ये करके ही सोना है. एंड ऐसा है कि यू वांट टू टेक ब्रेक देन डू टेक इट, नो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आर देयर, बट जस्ट मेक अ शेड्यूल अबाउट इट कि मुझे इस समय ब्रेक लेना है, इस समय ये करना है. एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना है, पार्टी करने जाना है, मूवी देखने जाना है, then no restrictions. Definitely I also went sometimes, but just make a schedule about it. कुछ मिस हो गया है आज के दिन तो ट्राई कि तुम नेक्स्ट डे उसको कंप्लीट करके रहो, ताकि एंड में तुम्हारे बहुत सारा सिलेबस कंपाइल ना हो जाए. एंड द अदर क्वेश्चन वाज हाउ मेनी आवर्स डिड आई स्टडी फॉर. सो एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन रूटीन. तो मेरा ये था कि मैं स्कूल से आके आई हैव टू टेक रेस्ट एंड टेक अ नैप फॉर 1 to 1.5 hours. सो आई डिड टेक दैट. एंड रात को आई यूज टू स्लीप एट 2 or 3 AM. तो तब तक मैं पढ़ लेती थी. एंड इट डिपेंड्स पर्सन टू पर्सन कि आप कितने घंटे क्या पढ़ो, बट जस्ट डू इफेक्टिव स्टडी. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज, is coaching necessary or is self study enough for that? So iska answer is that it depends person to person. If you are too much self disciplined for yourself, so like self study is of course enough. And coaching mein the thing is that you get personally mentors and all who help you throughout the journey, who ask you where you are going wrong. But if you can do that yourself, then self study is also enough. But do give mocks offline क्योंकि they are very very necessary. You'll get adapted to that environment. And also I would suggest that you do take some online coaching if you're self studying, because you don't have that much experience for it, and this will help you like which material you need to get, what study you need to do, and what topics you need to do. So coaching is definitely like important, whether it is offline or online, that is your choice. And also mocks के लिए I would suggest that you make an analysis sheet कि हर एक सेक्शन में कौन से मॉक में कितना क्या आया है. And believe me, if you are scoring like 100 plus in your mocks, then you'll definitely meet me in my dream college. Also, please ask in comments if any other question is left. If you want subject wise guide for each section, please do comment. Bye.